Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the alt text feature on Instagram. Now if you don't know what this is, it's a really great way to use SEO on Instagram. The alt text feature was specifically for the visually impaired in order to help describe what the photo is about. So I'm going to share my phone screen really quickly and just show you how to exactly use this feature. So before you post onto Instagram, you want to scroll down and click advanced settings on the bottom. Then you want to click write alt text. And now you want to describe what the photo is about. So I'm going to type in Nicole Wong is in a pumpkin patch smiling. So when you're done writing that, all you have to do is click done and then go back to the page, write your caption, and post an Instagram photo like you normally do. Now if you want to make sure that you don't miss anything when you're posting on Instagram, you can click the link below and I'll actually send you an Instagram post checklist that you can go over. So it ensures that you don't miss any important information when you're making a post on Instagram. Now when you're writing alt text, you want to ensure that you include the keywords. The reason why I've included the word fall several times in the alt text because I kind of wanted to drive traffic to those who are searching for fall activities in their area. So to be even more specific, I could have actually used fall activities to do in Vancouver. So that will help me attract more Vancouver followers to my posts. So this is a super short video, but I just wanted to have a separate video in order to show you how to use the alt text. If you want to see more Instagram tips or business tips, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel or follow me on Instagram at @HeyNicoleWong, and be sure to leave a comment below and ask me any questions that you might have.